What's the meaning of captain? Captain. Captain.
Captain. Captain. Captain is an abbreviation for captain, which is a military rank used in the Army, Navy, Air Force, and other uniformed organizations. To be promoted to the rank of captain, an individual must have shown exemplary leadership skills, experience, and expertise in their respective field. Captains are typically responsible for leading a company or a unit of soldiers, managing organizational resources, making strategic decisions, and ensuring the successful completion of missions. Overall, the rank of captain signifies a high level of responsibility, authority, and trust within the military hierarchy.